Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 10 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how to use themes in MS Word. Themes provide a quick way to change the overall color and fonts. It gives your document a designer quality look. So let's see how we can do this. To use themes, it is important that you are using styles to get the optimum results out of themes. If you don't know how to use styles, then you can check out my video at the top right corner. To insert themes, go to Design first, and then select the themes that you want, like this. Once you have selected the themes, you can change its color, fonts, and even change the spacing between paragraphs as well. So, this is how you can use themes in Word. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.